Hello people, my name is Baraka Mani and my photographer Nicole Onyango. Today we are taking a visit to Elgeyo Marakwet County, Iten Sub-County at Kessup. We are here, Nicole and I, not only to hike and enjoy, but also we are here to get to know how this Kessup waterfall is of benefit to people around here, especially farmers. Take a look. Hey people, hey beautiful people, as you can see at my background, they're very nice sights, very beautiful pictures. Today we are at Iten Kessup. Yeah. So we are here on a hike at the same time, we are here to learn. Today me as a journalist, I have to teach you about irrigation. As you can see, people in this community, they are very creative. We can see they're using these little pipes. In my photos, in my video, you will see they have even the large pipes collecting this little water direct to their farm. They're using this water to get their farms, whereby you are seeing in this area, they are horticultural farmers. In their farms, you will see the pictures of kales, tomatoes, onions, and many other horticultural crops. Yes, guys, you can be creative, you can use this. We're using this as tourist attraction sites. Though, guys in this area, or villagers in this area, we Indeed, Kessup is a very nice site. Kessup is located at Iten Sub-County in Elgeyo Marakwet County. Iten being home of champions, but they have also channeled down into farming, soil and weather conditions being favorable for agricultural crops and maize farming. As I said earlier, Kessup village has a waterfall site which they don't charge anything to visitors visiting the place, but they turn the place to be of advantage to them through using the waterfall as a source of water for the irrigation. Farmers around here are very creative and skillful by using PVC pipes to collect little water from the hill to their farms. Also today I was privileged to have an interview on comparisons and difference from the place I come from, that is Bungoma, by my fellow journalist Humphrey Wekesa. Though Humphrey being a sports journalist, just listen to it, have a look.
Ezekiel, yes. This place you see people are doing agriculture, and as you compare with the western where you come from, do you see any difference?
I guess no difference.
Yes, why?
Because right here, the only difference is that they depend on irrigation, while western you depend on rainfall. Like there is a lot of rainfall, though there are also sunshine. I mean,
yes.
But when it comes to agriculture, I can say we are at the same level.
When you compare Elgeyo Marakwet and western, which place do you think is suitable for agriculture?
I can say Elgeyo because of the soil, maybe. Yes.
Which soil is this in this Elgeyo Marakwet? Which type of soil?
Type of soil?
Yes.
This is loam soil.
Loam soil. Okay, I'll come back to you again.
Exactly. Okay, thank you.
As you can see. Hey! We're scaring me in we're scared. Oh my. Hey! Guys, cameraman iko shida. Karibu tu nianguke huko chini niokote kwa high school. God help. God help.